Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage emails on your account on Reddit easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings. Now click account settings and now click manage emails, and that's it. Here you can manage your email settings as you want, and that's it. That's how to manage emails on your account on Reddit easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.